Does your day often end with bloating, discomfort, or irregular bowel movements? These could be signs that your colon health is at risk. Many of us unknowingly engage in habits that can silently damage this crucial part of our digestive system. Your colon plays a crucial role in your overall health, from aiding digestion to absorbing essential nutrients and eliminating waste. Keeping it healthy is key to a well-functioning digestive system and overall well-being. Today, we're going to explore some of the everyday habits that might be putting your colon at risk. These practices, often overlooked, can lead to serious health issues over time if not addressed. As we delve into these habits, remember that this information is for educational purposes. Always consult healthcare professionals for personalized medical advice, especially if you have concerns about your colon health. Ready to discover what could be secretly damaging your colon? Let's unveil the first harmful habit and learn how to protect this vital part of your body. Deadly thing 1. Poor fiber intake. Did you know that a diet low in fiber is one of the biggest threats to your colon health? Fiber plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy digestive system, and its absence can lead to several colon-related issues. A low-fiber diet can result in constipation, increasing the risk of hemorrhoids and diverticular disease, and it may even have a role in the development of colon cancer. The impact of fiber on your colon's health. Fiber helps to keep the digestive system running smoothly. It adds bulk to the stool, facilitating easier passage and reducing the strain on the colon. Additionally, fiber helps to regulate bowel movements, which is crucial for expelling toxins and waste from the body. A diet rich in fiber also supports a healthy gut microbiome, essential for overall colon health. Making the switch to a fiber-rich lifestyle. Increasing your fiber intake is simpler than you might think. Start by incorporating more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes into your meals. Gradually increase your fiber intake to avoid discomfort, and remember to drink plenty of water, as fiber works best when it absorbs water. Making these dietary changes can significantly improve your colon health and overall well-being. Now that we've tackled the importance of fiber, let's move on to another dietary habit that might be flying under your radar. This next one is a common part of many diets, but can be a hidden threat to your colon. Stay tuned to find out what it is. Deadly thing 2. High processed food consumption. In today's fast-paced world, processed foods have become a staple in many diets, but their high consumption poses significant risks to your colon health. These foods are often low in fiber and high in additives, fats, and sugars, which can disrupt the delicate balance of your digestive system. The impact of processed foods on your colon's health. Regular intake of processed foods can lead to an array of colon issues. They can cause inflammation in the colon, increase the risk of constipation, and even contribute to the development of colorectal cancer. Processed foods often lack the necessary nutrients and fiber that are essential for healthy colon function, leading to an imbalance in the gut microbiome and negatively impacting digestive health. Making the switch to healthier eating habits. Transitioning to a diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods can have a profound impact on your colon health. Focus on incorporating fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your meals. These foods provide the necessary nutrients and fiber to support a healthy colon. By making mindful choices about what you eat, you can significantly reduce the risk of colon-related health issues. With diet playing such a crucial role in colon health, it's important to consider all aspects of our lifestyle. Next, we'll delve into a common habit that might seem harmless, but could be jeopardizing your colon's well-being. Let's find out what it is. Deadly thing 3. Excessive alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol consumption is a habit that can have serious repercussions on your colon health. While moderate drinking might have some health benefits, overindulgence can lead to significant digestive issues. Alcohol can disrupt the balance of good and bad bacteria in your gut, leading to inflammation and other gastrointestinal problems. The impact of alcohol on your colon's health. Regular heavy drinking can increase the risk of colon inflammation and may contribute to the development of colon polyps, which can potentially lead to colorectal cancer. Alcohol can also interfere with the digestive process, impairing nutrient absorption and leading to deficiencies that can harm colon health. Furthermore, alcohol is a known irritant to the gastrointestinal tract, exacerbating issues like hemorrhoids, and can contribute to chronic conditions like irritable bowel syndrome. Making the switch to moderate drinking. Reducing alcohol consumption can have immediate benefits for your colon and overall health. If you choose to drink, do so in moderation. This means limiting intake to 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men, as recommended by health guidelines. Additionally, consider alcohol-free days to give your body a break and explore healthier alternatives like non-alcoholic beverages or herbal teas. While diet and drinking habits are crucial, there's another aspect of our daily routine that's often overlooked in terms of colon health. Next, we'll explore how this everyday habit could be silently affecting your colon. Stay tuned to learn more. Deadly thing 4: sedentary lifestyle. In our modern technology-driven world, a sedentary lifestyle has become increasingly common, but it's a habit that poses significant risks to your colon health. Prolonged sitting and lack of physical activity can lead to various health issues that directly or indirectly impact the colon. The impact of inactivity on your colon's health. A sedentary lifestyle can contribute to the development of obesity, a risk factor for numerous diseases, including colorectal cancer. Lack of movement slows down the digestive process, potentially leading to constipation and increasing the risk of developing hemorrhoids and diverticular disease. Regular physical activity is essential for maintaining healthy bowel movements and preventing colon complications. Making the switch to an active lifestyle. Integrating more physical activity into your daily routine can greatly benefit your colon health. This doesn't necessarily mean intense workouts at the gym. Simple changes like taking regular walks, using the stairs instead of the elevator, or engaging in light exercises at home can make a significant difference. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week to keep your colon and overall body healthy. While physical activity is key, there's another everyday practice that might be impacting your colon health more than you realize. Up next, we'll uncover a habit that's often overlooked but is crucial for maintaining a healthy colon. Stay tuned to find out what it is. Deadly thing 5: ignoring regular health checkups. Many people tend to overlook regular health checkups, but this habit can be particularly detrimental to colon health. Routine screenings are essential for early detection of colon-related issues, including colorectal cancer, which is often treatable when caught early. The impact of neglecting regular screenings on your colon's health. By skipping regular colon screenings, such as colonoscopies, you may miss the opportunity to identify and address potential issues like polyps, which can develop into cancer over time. Regular checkups also help in monitoring and managing other conditions that can affect colon health, such as inflammatory bowel disease and irritable bowel syndrome. Making the switch to regular health monitoring. Prioritizing regular health checkups is a crucial step in maintaining your colon health. Adhere to the recommended screening schedules, especially if you have a family history of colon issues or other risk factors. Regular visits to your healthcare provider can also help in getting personalized advice on diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes that benefit your colon health. Now that we've emphasized the importance of health screenings, let's turn our attention to a daily habit that's often a staple in our diets, but could be secretly affecting your colon. Up next, we'll explore how this common beverage choice might be impacting your colon health. Deadly thing 6: excessive caffeine intake. Caffeine is a staple in many of our daily routines, but excessive consumption can have adverse effects on colon health. While a moderate amount of caffeine can stimulate bowel movements, too much can lead to gastrointestinal upset and other issues. The impact of caffeine on your colon's health. High levels of caffeine intake can cause increased acidity in the stomach, leading to digestive discomfort and potentially exacerbating conditions like gastroesophageal reflux disease. Overconsumption can also lead to diarrhea or worsen symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. In some cases, excessive caffeine can disrupt the natural rhythm of your digestive system, leading to long-term colon health issues. Making the switch to balanced caffeine consumption. To mitigate these risks, it's important to moderate your caffeine intake. Consider reducing the number of caffeinated beverages you consume daily, and be mindful of hidden sources of caffeine like certain sodas and energy drinks. Alternatives like herbal teas or decaffeinated coffee can provide a comforting warm beverage without the excess caffeine. Staying hydrated with water is also crucial to counterbalance any caffeine consumption. With our diets and drink choices covered, it's time to look at another aspect of our health regimen. Up next, we'll delve into a medication-related habit that, while common, could be secretly causing harm to your colon. Stay tuned to uncover what it is. Deadly Thing 7. Overuse of laxatives. Laxatives are often used to relieve constipation, but their overuse can lead to serious colon health issues. While they can be effective for short-term relief, relying on them regularly can disrupt your body's natural ability to process and eliminate waste. The impact of laxatives on your colon's health. Frequent use of laxatives can cause a dependency, where the colon becomes less responsive to natural stimuli for bowel movements. This can lead to chronic constipation and may even weaken the colon muscles, reducing their effectiveness. Over time, laxative overuse can also disrupt the balance of electrolytes in the body, leading to dehydration and other health complications. Making the switch to natural bowel health methods. To maintain healthy bowel function, it's important to adopt natural methods. Increasing dietary fiber intake through fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can significantly improve regularity. Regular physical activity and staying hydrated also support healthy digestion. If constipation is a recurring issue, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider to identify underlying causes and develop a safe, effective treatment plan. As we've seen, our physical habits can greatly impact colon health. But what about our emotional state? Next, we'll explore how a common emotional condition can have a surprising effect on your colon. Stay tuned for this important insight. Deadly Thing 8. High stress levels. Stress is an inevitable part of life, but high levels of chronic stress can have a profound impact on your colon health. Stress triggers a range of physiological responses in the body, which can disrupt normal digestive processes and exacerbate colon-related issues. The impact of stress on your colon's health. Chronic stress can lead to increased inflammation in the colon, exacerbating conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. It can also contribute to the development of gastrointestinal disorders, such as ulcers or chronic constipation. Stress can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria, leading to dysbiosis, which further impacts colon health. Additionally, stress often leads to unhealthy coping mechanisms, such as overeating or consuming unhealthy foods, which can negatively affect the colon. Making the switch to effective stress management. Managing stress effectively is key to maintaining a healthy colon. Techniques like mindfulness meditation, yoga, and regular exercise can significantly reduce stress levels. Establishing a routine that includes adequate sleep, balanced nutrition, and time for relaxation can also help manage stress. If stress becomes overwhelming, seeking support from mental health professionals can provide strategies for coping and maintaining overall well-being. We've explored 8 habits that can silently damage your colon, from poor fiber intake and high-processed food consumption to the overuse of laxatives and the impact of stress. Each of these habits poses a risk, but by understanding and making simple swaps, you can significantly improve your colon health. Remember, the journey to better colon health is a step-by-step process. It involves making conscious choices about your diet, lifestyle, and overall well-being. By incorporating the healthier alternatives we've discussed, you can protect and nurture your colon. Embracing these changes can lead to a healthier, happier life. Your colon plays a crucial role in your overall health, and taking care of it is an investment in your future. Concerned about your colon health? Like, share, and subscribe for more health insights. We encourage you to share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Your contribution can help others on their journey to better health. Together, let's foster a community focused on wellness and proactive health care.